What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create landing pages that are fully customizable to your WordPress website and how to start with ready to go landing pages. So basically, landing pages are a way to convert users into potential customers, into subscribers, okay? So it's a great way to convert people on websites. So let's get this started. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just international sites favors. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. For landing pages, you have no needs of bigger plugins or some themes, okay? So into this solution, all you have to do is look at the upper right corner of your screen. Next to keyword, into search plugins, you're gonna type Seed Pro, okay? Just like this. And here is the guide. Website Builder by Seed Pro. Theme Builder, Landing Page Builder, Coming Soon Page, Maintenance Mode. Click on Install now. Click into the Activate button and click into the Activate button again. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And if you review next to appearance on your WordPress dashboard, you're gonna be able to see a new menu called Seed Pro. Click, hover mouse over it and click on the submenu Landing Page. Now you can go to Add New Landing Page. For you, you're going to be able to see a banner into the top corner of your site asking you to subscribe using your email only to have access to pre-built templates, okay? You can create by the ground, but I recommend that you subscribe so you can get some templates. And you can get some sales templates just like this one or this one. Some lead squeeze, maintenance mode templates, but let's focus into the sales templates. And right here, I like this one right here, okay? So all I have to do is click into the selected template, type a title for this page. I recommend that you use a good title in order to rank it on SEO on Google, okay? So test is just my example, but choose a good title that relates to your product, to your landing page theme. Now you have a landing page that are fully customizable for your needs. You can, for example, change this text, change this image, change this button, align things in the case that you want, change this other image. All you have to do is hover mouse over the section, click and select in order to open gallery and to change image. And of course, you can drag and drop more elements right here using columns, for example, and using these elements right here. We have options to apply custom codes to the page, okay, like scripts, for example, to apply ads, to apply other options, to apply Google Analytics. And of course, we can preview the page on the live website. And here is how our page gonna looks like. Of course, it's still fully customizable, so we can enter the content, customize it in the case that we want. We can save the page. And when you go to page settings, you can move it to draft, to publish it. Here is the URL. Now let's save the page, and the page is now published under this URL. Simple, easy, and very effective. And of course, once again, you can keep customizing the page in the ways that you want, okay? You can apply videos in the case that you find it useful for your needs. can apply extra buttons and other elements. And it is. Now do the landing page in the way that you want and start selling your products. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg, or WP Bakery page builder, or Enzu WordPress theme, the best WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want, or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, with our Sites.gallery, a CSS gallery where you can promote your design, app, landing page, game design, mobile-friendly app, so anything that you want to promote. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!